up the roof, show the tits. Poppin', but you really not gon' shoot. 90 pointers, time my diamond look like hula hoop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup Mom. So today we're gonna do things a little bit different. I kind of wasn't gonna put like an intro for this video, and I was just gonna say fuck it and like post the video how I was planning on doing it, but I just kind of wanted to like say hi to you guys and say thank you for all the constant love and support. It really means a lot to me, like a lot. I'm gonna go on like a little rant really quick. I've noticed that you guys have been liking like my recent videos a lot more than like the ones I used to post, and I honestly think that that's because I've been trying to be more of myself and less of like, oh, let me edit this out and let me edit this and let me not say this because then people are gonna think I cuss too much. Like I really do cuss a lot, and I do say a lot of stupid shit all the time, and I don't feel like I should have to edit all of that out. I don't like that shirt. No, baby. No, how are you gonna wear basketball shorts with the shirt that has a collar on it?
Oh, hell no!
Boy!
Mommy, I can't find it.
But yeah, like I was saying, I don't like to have to edit little parts of me being me out of my videos. Like, you know, like I don't give a fuck if you're like, damn, this bitch has 2 kids and look how she's acting. Like, bitch,
So?
like, this is me. This is the type of person I am. I'm not gonna try to like edit it out and try to look like a perfect mom and this bitch who like comes on here and makes perfect little YouTube videos where I am just like,
my life is so perfect and I look so good, so put together all the time.
a bitch has been going through it in the past few months, and I'm just like, you know what, fuck it. Like, I just like posting my videos and talking to you guys and having that interaction, because a lot of you do look forward to my videos. A lot of you do reach out to me and let me know that you guys enjoy watching my videos, and you guys watch my videos when you're bored. Like, what? You know, like, I'm so extra with my hands and like I annoy myself, but to somebody else, like, you guys fuck with it, and I'm like, cool, like I'm just myself and you guys fuck with it. That makes me so happy, honestly. And yeah, let's just get right into the video because my camera's about to die and I'm trying to hurry up, squeeze as much as I can. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I know some of the products were like high-end and drugstore, but honestly I fuck with all these products heavily. Like, I love them so much. This liquid lipstick is literally everything. I will have everything listed down below. This is my absolute favorite color in the world. Like, I know it's expensive as fuck. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, it's worth it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.